Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of milk, and 1 large egg. Finally, melt 2 tablespoons of butter, some for the batter and some for the pan. These basic items are all you need for delicious pancakes. Now let's mix our batter. In a large bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until they are well combined. In a separate, smaller bowl, gently whisk the milk, the large egg, and the 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Then, pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Stir until just combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine for fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. It's time to cook. Heat a lightly oiled griddle or non-stick pan over medium heat. You can test if it's ready by dropping a tiny bit of water. It should sizzle. Pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the hot surface. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see bubbles forming on top and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook until golden brown. Your delicious pancakes are ready. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings. Classic choices include maple syrup, fresh berries, or a dollop of whipped cream. These homemade pancakes are perfect for a weekend breakfast or a special treat any day. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Enjoy every fluffy bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.